There is a saying, simplicity is genius. So I don't know why this thing wasn't invented and presented to the crypto community before, but now this project exists. So today we'll talk about Hero with the token HXRO and their games. So basically they provide games on cryptocurrencies, and now they have one game in beta which is called REKT. It's really simple, but it's really like exciting for many, and it's really, really catchy, I would say. So I have the beta, and I can show you what's inside, and also share with you some tips and strategies and the rest. So basically about the project, there is more about the games. They will have such a game called MobX, and this is basically the portfolio of different altcoins which you can balance in different way, and if you're right, then and they are going up in price, then you will get bonus. If not, then you'll lose their tokens and so on. But right now they have REKT game already available in beta, and basically like a month ago or something I've heard about this, and I was interested what is happening there. So I wanted to come early and see what's the platform, how does it work. So basically they are doing an airdrop, and they give away 100 their token, let's say Hero token, and now they actually are already listed. They are listed on Bittrex, and their token price is 7 cents, so probably like $7 if you will get this airdrop. Volume is very low, of course, because nobody's playing except the beta testers. But then beta testers, when the platform will go live and everybody can join, probably the volume will be more, because people will start to sell and buy the tokens to play. So, and I actually want to say thanks a lot for all of the people who used my referral link, which I started to add in the description below my videos for a while ago, and like 10, maybe like 12 people clicked that link. So I had 100 bonus XRO tokens to every person who used this link, and because I had like 1,000 tokens at some point, now it has like 1,400, not so many, but still, after like 1,000 tokens, I get an email from the platform saying that I'm invited to test beta. So again, guys, thank you very much. It's not about like getting a lot of tokens and sell them, it's like about the testing the platform, and it's really exciting actually. So but again, if you would like to have an airdrop tokens, please use my referral link again. I would appreciate, and like 100 more tokens I will get, and you will get 100 tokens as well. And if you'll have your friends which who will also would like to play, they can use your referral link, so you'll have the referral link as well, and you will have additional 100 tokens as they will get registered. So, and now let's talk about the project and the platform. Well, this is basically, they are the people who came from the trading. One guy's had like 20 years trading experience, their co-founder, and other people they came from the gaming industry, so pretty much experienced and look like professionals. I will leave the link to the website and the Telegram group and also the Twitter account in the description below, together with my referral link to get airdrop tokens. So basically we need to look at beta, because this is nobody can see except those who can have an access to that. So I had like 250 tokens. I don't have those tokens from the referral link when I get the account. So I have 250, and then I started to play. I basically lost almost everything. I had like 50 tokens, and then I realized that I'm doing something wrong. So I started to play very carefully. I started to look at what is happening, and then eventually I got something like 2,500 or something, and then I realized that okay, I'm doing really good. Now I know how to play, and then I start to play a little bit more in a more risky way, and then I lost everything back mostly back to 50, like 100 tokens again, and then now I started to play again quite cautiously, so I got something like 1,800. So the whole point of the game that you are making a bet of the price will go either up or down in 5 minutes intervals, and the more people are betting on the certain direction, like if a lot of people are betting to the moon, and not so many people or not so many tokens they stake to the REKT movement, then the coefficient will be correspondingly distributed. So the more people are betting on a certain direction, the less coefficient of the profit they will have in case they will guess right and the price will go according to their stake. But the point is that if, for example, here it would be like 1,000 tokens staked, and here it would be like 10 tokens only, and if you will be within these 10 tokens and you will make a proper bet, so the price will go down, then you will have enormous coefficient. Like I've seen 5, 10, I won 5, 10 coefficients several times, and I've seen like 20, even 30 coefficients here before. So you can bet like 10 tokens and you can win 300 tokens easily, or even 3,000 tokens. So it's really not, this doesn't depend on where price will go. They take the data from Coinbase and BitMEX together, so it's sort of an average price, and it doesn't matter like if the price makes like this huge move or like this, or it's very, very tiny. It doesn't matter. It just depends on whether the price go up or it will go up or down. So that's why it's really simple. It's really catchy for a lot of people. You don't need to be a tech guru. You just make a stake on the price whether it will go. So the point is, you could in principle use some technical analysis skills and everything, but on 5-minute candle it's really hard, and especially that you need to guess exactly on the certain candle, not for the trend. So it's not so easy, mostly like gambling for at that case. But they will actually give more options, so they have like 15 minutes, eventually 60 minutes, and also you will be able to trade Ether to dollar and XRP to dollar. So now it's not available, but it will be available eventually. And right now just you have this 5 minutes intervals and only Bitcoin to dollar. So you have more 9 games available, so you're not staking on this game. This game is already live, so you're staking on the game which will happen next. So we have 30 seconds until this game will be over. So let's stake, and I have like 30 tokens as a default, and I'm staking to the price will go up. So as soon and the pool is like 900 tokens right now. So as soon as the game will start, we will see how the coefficients will go. And now let's wait and basically see what's our odds are. And okay, 8. So yeah, and you have like 9 games available more. If you'll scroll here like this, oops, it's sort of okay. So it was updated, and then you have less and less pool because people are basically staking on the next game available. So you have nine games only, and then you can make like 9 bets. Now about the strategies. Well, first again, as I already said, this is free. So basically you have 100 tokens for free. For example, by the way, here, so if people are those people who bet on the REKT, they will have almost 3x on their stake if they will win. So actually now I'm sort of losing, but it's really at the beginning, so we'll see. In any case, so what are the strategies you can do when you have your free 100 tokens? What I would suggest is not to like make a bet for the whole 100 tokens. It's really, you will probably lose. It's like 50-50, but probably you will lose. Try to you like 1 token per game, and then you will see how the game is working, and then you will see like the small features and the strategies and what is better for you. When you will have like, when you lose for your first 50, you will probably catch the idea and you will start to win, and then you still will have some tokens remain to play. So, and the second thing is like how to stake. Again, it's pretty much gambling. So what you can do is you can look at first what's the previous history was. So if it would be like 3, 4, 5, 6 results in one side, so you would expect that probably the next one will be on the other side. It's more likely to happen. So you may play this safe bet and do like that. On the other hand, if the trend is not like going sideways, but it's really like definitive trend going like this, for example, if it's really like this, then you would expect that the trend will be continuous. So this is another type of the safe bet. And also you need to consider the way of other people are staking. So if you would see that the community who are playing right now is really risky, so they are trying to go against the for example against the trend, or against the or let's say stake to the same side as many other games were ended up with. So you would see that they are risky, and then they all will make a bet on the very risky side. So you can try to counterplay them and make a bet on the other side, so you will catch the like huge coefficient. On the other hand, if the people are more cautiously playing here, you may try to play risky and then again catch this coefficient. In both cases, you probably will have quite a big chance to lose, but in case you will get it, so it's again, it's risk to reward ratio. Sometimes you better to let's say stake on 20-30% chance that you will win, but the coefficient of the profit will be huge. So that's why risk to reward is worth trying to use. So that is pretty much it, how it goes. And yeah, so again, there is a leaderboard here, and like 100 people with biggest number of tokens. I think I went to 71st or something like that, and now I dropped to 83rd with my number of tokens. So yeah, I need to play a little bit more in a more careful way, I guess. Well, but anyway, it's pretty fun, and again, since it is free basically for the first comers. I would expect this will go viral, at least in my opinion. I think that's really will happen. And then I wouldn't say guys buy tokens in the expectation of this will go high up, because we don't really know, so it's not financial advice. But a lot of people are saying that because people will want to play more, and they would want to like continue if they will lose their money, because it's easy, and it's not so expensive, and it's just like you're killing your time, but you may have a chance to get some money. So a lot of people may come here and trade, and that's why they will need to buy tokens, and that's why the price demand will be high, so the tokens will rise in price. And also it's actually a nice way of practice your skills on scalping on short time periods. So if you'll get successful in this, then you can go to BitMEX and confirm with this leverage trading. So not so useless in my opinion. Just again, you can learn like technical skills, technical analysis skills. You can add some indicators and everything. You can look at what's the probability of price going where, and yeah, it will give you something. You will start to study the things, how to predict the price. It's not a bad thing, but at the same time it's fun, and since it's free, so why not to try? Okay guys, that is pretty much it. I would suggest you to go to their Telegram. It's just a lot of fun happening there. The people like sending memes and oh, I went 30x and so on. It's just like really a live community. And Twitter and everything, I will leave the links down below. And yes, please use my referral link, would appreciate that. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. I wish you get a lot of the profits here, and see you tomorrow in the next video. Goodbye guys. Goodbye.